What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Imani and this is my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be discussing what's new with Instagram. So they've released a lot of new features and a lot of people are just a little confused on what's happening, what's new, what's going on, where did a certain feature go. So if you're interested in knowing what features you can expect in the next few months or what features were just added, make sure you stay tuned and we'll get right into it. So first things first, the first, latest, newest feature are Reels. Now I'm sure you guys have heard like some chitter chatter about Reels. It's basically the Instagram version of TikTok. The concept, the layout, the interface, everything about Reels is basically TikTok. The only kind of difference is that Reels are only 15 seconds. Everything else, you can add audio, you can add music, you can add different effects, you can add a green screen, you can add text, you can add a caption, people can comment, people can share it, you can share it to your story, you can share it to your feed, and you can share it to the actual Reel timeline, which is, the Reel timeline is very similar to the TikTok timeline, or the TikTok feed, however you want to call it. It literally just released yesterday. People are trying to still figure out if they're going to use it or not, because most people already have TikTok. But things are going to get a little weird now because there's conversations of TikTok being banned in America, which is expected to happen, or there's talk that it's going to happen within the next month or so. So it's interesting to see how Reel will affect the success of TikTok. And I'm also curious to see if, because the main TikTok audience is Gen Z, are they going to switch back to Instagram, or are they just going to try and ride out the TikTok wave? And if you try and, I'll do a more in-depth video about it, but if you want to create a Reel, all you have to do is swipe your phone to the left or click the camera in the top left of your feed if you're going to create a story. And you'll see it's kind of like an updated layout. The story camera, or whatever you want to call it, is kind of a new layout. Instead of it having like boomerang, hands-free, zoom, create, all of that stuff at the bottom, that has now been changed to live, story, and Reel. So if you want to create like a boomerang or whatever, you have to make sure you're hovered over the story option, and then you'll see left side of the screen, you'll see an arrow. You click the arrow and that's where all those other options will be. And then if you want to go live, you just click the live button. If you want to do a Reel, you click the Reel button. And like I said, I'll go more in depth in a future video just after I get a chance to actually play around with it. I've seen other people already doing it, and I'll probably use it honestly, because I was using TikTok, but it's just too many apps at this point. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it out, if you're going to stick with TikTok as long as it's available in the United States, or if you're in another country where you guys still have TikTok, let me know if you're going to make the switch. Okay, so the second update that is expected to come very soon are guides. So guides are like a blog post, an article put in one, basically, for your Instagram. Users can populate this article, this long form content. They can populate it with posts that they've already created on their Instagram. So they link their actual post to this guide, and users are able to interact with the guide. They can click on the post that they want to see more information about. The guides are shareable. You can't search for the guides though. So if you're looking for a specific guide, at this point you cannot actually search for it. You would have to search for the individual that actually, or the account that actually put out the guide, if you want to learn more or if you want to read about this specific guide. Originally, when Instagram came up with this idea, they were trying to focus more on the travel industry, but right when they were planning on releasing it, COVID hit, and so they decided to switch things up and really focus more on like wellness and like COVID-19 resources. So as of now, there's only a select few people, a select few accounts that have access to it. Definitely the creators account and the Instagram account, obviously, and there's a few more other accounts that have access to it. So if you want to see what it looks like, you can definitely go check out their pages. Instagram wanted users to easily find info and inspo from their favorite accounts. So that's really why they put together these guides. In my eyes, it's kind of more so like Pinterest. It gives like a sneak peek as to what users and your followers can expect from your website. So if you're a blogger, if you're someone that's sharing resourceful or useful information, if you're a teacher of some sort, this will probably be good for you. It's a great way to, like I said, for me, it's similar to Pinterest because you can repurpose content as well on here. So if you're a blogger, if you're selling products, if you are offering a service, this is a great way for you to give a sneak peek into what you're really offering to people, and then they'll learn more about it on your website, or they can reach out to you, X, Y, and Z. So guides should be coming out, should be available to more people coming soon, but like I said, because of COVID, they kind of like had to switch things up a little bit. If you're wondering how do you actually like see reels or you see guides, when you go to your actual profile, you know where you have the grid and then there's like your tag pictures, they will be located in between that. So if you have a reel, your reel option or your reel icon will populate there, and once you have access to guides, it'll populate there. Them implementing guides and reels and all these new features is really just a way for Instagram to keep users within the app. Like that's really what it is. Because if you think about it, a lot of these new features, and not to throw any shade towards Instagram and Facebook, but a lot of these features they are getting from other platforms. So reels are coming from TikTok. Guides, to me, are like Pinterest. So next up on the list, we have reels, we have guides, and now we have pinned comments. So this is already, everybody should have access to this already. And basically pinned comments are a new feature where accounts can pin 3 of their top favorite comments. Whether it's your comment, whether it's somebody else's comment, users can pin up to 3 comments in their comment section. So this is a good way for brands to highlight certain information. If you feel like you keep getting the same question, you can answer it and then pin the comment, and then boom, you don't have to, well, people are probably still going to ask you the same question, but you can refer them to that pinned comment. It's pretty simple to pin a comment. All you have to do is swipe left on the comment and you will see the pin icon, click pin, and boom. If you are pinning somebody else's comment, then they will get a notification that you pinned their comment. This is another idea that they may have been inspired by. Let's say they've been inspired by YouTube. So YouTube, you can pin comments on there. So this is a good way if you're a brand and you're doing giveaways, you can pin the winners' comments and highlight 3 winners or 2 winners or 1 winner, whatever, how many you want to do. And when I say pin, it takes it to the top of the comment section. So the next one is new fonts. So Instagram just added about 5 new fonts to your story option. So you can now play around with, I think it's like 9 different fonts. Some are available with new backgrounds, with new outlines. It's about time that they finally updated the fonts because I'm getting sick of using the same ones over and over again. And the 5th update that we're going to talk about today is you can finally trim videos in your story. It is about time. I was sick of having to do it in the outside app or doing it in my camera app and then having to upload it. You don't have to worry about that anymore. You can simply just trim the video within your actual Instagram story. The option is to the left of the marker. So when you click on that, you'll be able to mute the story and trim the story. And I am so thankful because I've been dying for this. The last feature, the last update we have in today's video, new stickers. Instagram is always updating the stickers for your story. A few of the new ones include the DM me sticker, which basically is allowing your followers, allowing users to just click the button and they'll be able to DM you. And it's a good way for brands to receive feedback, or if influencers or whomever wants to have more in-depth conversations or have a conversation with their followers, you can do so this way. It's also good to know that you don't have to answer these DMs on your phone or on your iPad or your tablet or whatever. You can now answer DMs on the desktop version of Instagram. The next sticker that they just added to your stories is the challenge sticker. So if you want to challenge somebody, if you want to nominate somebody to participate in a challenge, all you have to do is click the challenge sticker, type in the challenge, and then it'll ask you to nominate whoever. We have the gift card sticker, we have the support small businesses sticker, and the food order sticker. The food order sticker I think is actually pretty cool. People can order through DoorDash, through Uber Eats, whatever platform that you offer through your business. They can order food from there straight from the sticker. So if you sell any type of food, any type of anything where people can order food, all you have to do is set it up so that you have a partner. So your partner could be Uber Eats, it could be DoorDash, and they have a bunch of other different partners on there. You set it up so that you're connected through them, and then once you add the sticker to your story, or if somebody else adds a sticker to their story and they mention you in that sticker, then people can order right through there. So we have the reels, we have the guides, you can pin 3 comments now, we have updated fonts, you can trim your story, and you have updated stickers. And like I said, they're always updating stickers on the story, so make sure you're paying attention to that. And yeah, and if you don't see any of these, or if you don't see some of these new features, then you probably either need to just update your app, or Instagram hasn't given you an access yet. So let me know in the comments if you guys are going to try any of these new features, if you're going to try reels, if you're going to incorporate guides into your account. Are you going to start pinning comments? Like, are you into that? How do you feel about that? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. There are additional new features that Instagram has implemented, but I'm gonna do a whole separate video on new updates, new features for IGTV and Instagram Live in a video coming in by the end of this month. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Maybe I'll make this a whole new thing on my channel, like what's new with Instagram. Instagram is always updating. They're always trying to find ways to keep users within the app. So I'm probably gonna have multiple of these videos because they're always updating. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Let me know if you're gonna try any of these features, any of these updates. Thank you for watching, and as always, make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at It's Imani Murray. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I see y'all out here. A lot of y'all not subscribed, but y'all watching my videos. I see you. I see you. Okay? And I will see you in my next video coming next week.